Alright guys, today I received my first shipment. Second one is coming on the way. Today or tomorrow I'm gonna receive them. But this is the first shipment. I'm gonna start from this. I ordered a lot of 6x9s and 6.5. The best speakers on the market and the best sellers on the market. Best rates on the market also, 4.5 on the Amazon and on the eBay also, like 4-star and the 5-star reviews. Only the the 1-2 stars is they couldn't fit, or they cannot install it, or the product was damaged, something like this. This comes with damaged box, but I hope it's gonna be speaker is gonna be live and everything's gonna be fine. The reason why you're watching this video, you at the market, you want to buy some of 6x9s or 6.5 speakers, and also like me, you cannot find nice quality video over there. Like it says how the speakers performance, how the bass test, and the tweeters, all that stuff. That's why I decide to make some video for you guys so you enjoy it. So from beginning we have Pioneer tweeters, all right, and all the tests I'm gonna run my Rode microphone. So this is the high definition microphone. The sound quality, I hope it's gonna be enough for you guys to judge which one is better, which one is worst. So I have two tweeters. This is DS18 Pro tweeter. This is huge. I'm gonna do unbox. Also I'm gonna show the inside everything. So this is the same company, Pro series, right? 480 watt maximum and 1.5 inch voice coil. So this is the mid-bass, mid-range speaker, right? It's gonna run with the tweeter. So we have a 6.5 cheap speaker, and this is very nice rated. It's a lot of people bought that. This is Pioneer, my favorite speaker. This is the mid-range, mid-bass speaker. So we'll see, it's a 500 watt max, and we're gonna test also this, how it's gonna be performed against. This is a two with $80, $20 each. This is $35 each. So I have another 6.5 Rockford Fosgate here. This is two-way. I have two different 6x9 Rockford Fosgate, R1, both everything the same. The box, the power outputs also the same, but one is two-way. You see, you don't have a tweeter here, and another one, it was a three-way with the the built-in tweeters. So another Scar audio here. This is PAX 6.5. This is the expensive, I believe this is the expensive one. Yeah, we're gonna see. This is the mid-bass speaker. Infinity Kappa. You got a lot of guys ask me to compare the Infinity Kappa with the other speakers. Here we have, guys. So we're gonna compare this Infinity Kappa with a bunch of Rockford Fosgates, JBLs. I have a JBL Pro Series here, 6.5. So we're gonna compare this guy with the mid basses and one cheap, and with the Rockford Fosgate also, right? I have another Scar audio here, also 6x9, but I don't know, box is like way smaller than these speakers. This is the Infinity. Oh, this is the JBL Pro Series, and this is the cheap speaker, CERWIN Vega or CERWIN Vega, how you call it, 350 watt. Tweeters is big. Rate is also very good. Like a lot of people likes this. When you read the reviews, like a lot of people say, oh, it was very good, all that stuff. And this was 35. I don't remember. I put the prices, all this, and I put the links on the description. So if you wanna purchase a speaker, you can go ahead and purchase. This is the same, the model with this guy right here, with the tweeters. You see the location, tweeter location, everything. So this is the 6.5. I'm waiting what Infinity Kappa, this guy 6.5 also I ordered it, so it's gonna be next batch or next shipment, and another bunch stuff. Here's all the amplifiers, big boxes, a bunch of amplifiers. So I'm gonna test everything step by step. If you don't, guys, to my channel, definitely subscribe it, so you're gonna see every single one. I'm gonna test with the cheap one with the expensive, expensive versus expensive, bullshit versus good, bad versus that. So, and after watching, you guys, you know, the comment on the bottom, so which speakers you guys running and how they performed. Let's start it. Alright guys, all set, we're gonna start recording. This is Rockford Fosgate. This is CERWIN VEGA or CERWIN VEGA. So this is the, you know, how I'm gonna change it. This is CERWIN VEGA. This is Rockford Fosgate. So here we go. So from the first music, you can see right away Rockford Fosgate's tweeters is brighter. Even this is a piece of shit tweeter, but sound is, I like this speaker sound better than this. This is CERWIN VEGA. Guys, again, it's disclaimers, all that, you know, crap, whatever you want to say. I pay my cash, every single detail here, you see it. My own, nobody advertising, nobody is paying me nothing. So I don't care what you guys say. This is, I want to bring up to you guys like real life test with the music. So there is no bullshit advertising at all. That's my speakers. I'm gonna install those speakers to my cars. So that's, I'm sharing my experience. Next music. Everything double price of these both. Kappa right there, and this is the JBL. We're gonna switch them for the next video, and you're gonna see. Let me play more music, some electronics. Sorry guys, I cannot play, you know, your favorite music because YouTube is gonna strike my ass. So this is what it is. I find out, you know, the best, you know, musics to speaker test. This guy is good. This guy is good for the price. This one, 35 bucks. I believe it's 35. This is okay. But this guy is good, guys. Even one crappy little tweeter right here, the sound is a lot brighter. So let me see my microphone, make sure it's straight between them. Super straight. So you guys understand, right? Whatever I'm pressing, that speaker is playing. If I press this one, press this, that. Yeah, that's bullshit. Make louder. This tweeter inside is shaking. So right here, if I purchase the speaker for my money, if I keep the which one, I keep the Rockford Fosgate 100%. The nice, bright, you know, the big tweeters, but this doesn't do the deal. This guy, the sounds better. You can. So that's it. The winner here, Rockford Fosgate. So this guy, the okay speaker for the price, whatever you're paying. CERWIN Vega or CERWIN Vega. They made a very nice, you know, the home system, home speakers, but for the car audio. But for the price, is to be honest, like that's good. So now we're gonna see the scar. No, let me put the Rockford Fosgate right next to this, so we're gonna see what the difference. It's like a 3-way or 2-way. It is gonna be big difference or not. The magnet, the prime, everything the same, just the difference the tweeters. So watch my next video, guys.